Disputing errors on your Transunion credit report is crucial for maintaining accurate credit information. Follow these steps to initiate a dispute. Review your credit report. Obtain a copy of your Transunion credit report and thoroughly review it for any inaccuracies, such as incorrect account information, payment statuses, or personal details. Identify errors. Note down each error you find, including the specific details of what is incorrect and why it's inaccurate. Gather supporting documentation. Collect any documents or evidence that support your dispute, such as bank statements, payment records, or correspondence with lenders. Initiate dispute online or by mail. Visit Transunion's website and navigate to the section for disputing errors on your credit report. Follow the instructions to submit your dispute online. Alternatively, you can mail a dispute letter to Transunion's address, including the details of the errors and supporting documentation. Wait for investigation. Transunion will investigate your dispute and work with the relevant creditors to verify the information. This process typically takes around 30 days. Review the outcome. Once the investigation is complete, Transunion will notify you of the results. If the errors are corrected, you will receive an updated credit report reflecting the changes. If not, you may need to take further action, such as providing additional evidence or escalating the dispute.